Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. So if you've ever traveled by the Indian trains or had food at Indian coffee house, you would have definitely tried the cutlets that they serve. I mean the vegetable cutlets. Now the speciality of this cutlet is that they add beetroot to it. Now I've been on the lookout for this recipe for a long time and finally found it, and I wanted to share it with you all. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got boiled and peeled potato in here. I've got grated beetroot, finely chopped onion, finely chopped green chilli, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped coriander leaves, lime, red chilli powder, cumin seeds. And in here I've got some green beans which I have blanched in some hot water and then chopped finely. Same with the green peas which I have blanched in water and crushed with my hands. I've also kept some breadcrumbs ready. We'll need oil to make this dish. So let's start preparing the dish. I've added some salt to taste to the potatoes and we'll just mash them. You can just crumble them with your fingers. This is done. Let's move to the next step. Heat up some oil in a pan and add the cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Once it splutters, let's add in the onion and the ginger and green chilli. We'll cook these until the onions become translucent. Once the onions are translucent, we'll add the green peas, beans and the beetroot. Saute it well. And into this we'll add the red chilli powder as well as salt to taste. Remember, we've already added salt to the potato, so add salt sufficient for the vegetables that we are cooking. We'll cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Veggies are cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll switch off the fire and let this cool a little bit. So I've added the vegetable mix into the potato mix. Now we'll add the coriander leaves and squeeze the lime. Now we'll mix everything together. It is ready. Now let's start making the cutlets. Make round balls like this and keep it aside. If you want, you can store this mixture in the refrigerator for 1 or 2 days and make cutlets whenever you feel like. The next step is to take the balls of cutlet we have made and roll it in some breadcrumbs. We'll do the same for all of the cutlets. So I've already coated all the cutlet balls in the breadcrumbs. Now I've got a cookie cutter in the shape of a heart. You can use any shape, or you can just use the lid of some round bottle. So what we do is take the cutlet ball and put it inside the cookie cutter so that it shapes into whatever shape cookie cutter you're using. Then coat it in the breadcrumbs from all sides. Push it a little and you've got the heart shape. Crump it well again. And remove it into a plate. So similarly, I'm going to do the rest of them. So I've already done all the hearts. Now I'm going to recoat them in some breadcrumbs. So this is the third round of breadcrumbs that we are adding to the cutlet. Be gentle, you don't want to break the cutlets. In a pan I've added oil to shallow fry the cutlets. I've kept the temperature at medium. Now we'll transfer the cutlets into the pan. Now we'll cook them until they are brown from both sides. So the cutlets are ready. You can serve this with some ketchup and have it with some hot tea or coffee. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. Until next time, bye-bye.